All right, so now you have the code. So this is it. So what you should do is look at your stuff, make sure everything's working. You can see below I have the code written down, and you can just look at that. If you know, when you look at the thing, you actually see it's not. We didn't really write that much code. It's a little bit complex. I can see how it's a little bit hard. If you actually look at it, it's not complex so much as it's just words you don't know because you haven't used them a bunch. And quite frankly, I mean, I don't use them a ton myself either. So, again, my hope isn't so much that you can go just start typing it up without looking at anything. I want you to be able to find what you need and be able to change it and incorporate it. I want you to be able to read it. And hopefully between doing the JavaScript and now doing this, you'll start to see that most programming languages kind of follow a similar kind of syntax, a similar kind of way of working. They'll all have their own little different quirks. That's why they exist to begin with. But hopefully that you'll get more and more familiar with it and feel more and more comfortable. So when you are happy and you know it, all you're going to want to do is I'm trying to think of the best way to go about doing this. I'll give you an option. You can do one or the other. You can either do this, so save everything you got. You can either go to your theme here, okay? And if you want, you could just take this theme, right-click, send to compressed zip folder, okay? And then you could submit the theme, okay? So you can do that if you want. That'll be a little bit easier for you and for me, to be honest, because it's a little bit lighter because it's just the files. Or if for some reason it's not working too, the other option is to just inside of thing here, just while it's still running, just right-click, export. And then you would just export out, hit export, so on and so forth. Cancel. It'll make a zip folder, and then just submit that zip folder onto your thing. And then when you're done for the day, you're just going to want to click Stop Site. It will stop the site. Just leave this open for a little bit, go do whatever, and then, come back, and then you can actually close it out, all right? So, yeah, just submit either the theme or you can submit the whole site. Either way, it doesn't really matter too much to me. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So that's the end of this, and you can go to the next page.